Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Codeforces round 913 division 3 first problem Rook. So let's take the look at the problem statement. As you probably know, chess is a game that is played on a board with 64 squares arranged in 8 into 8 grid. Columns of these boards are labeled to A to H and 1 to 8. Each square is described by its row and column. So the rook is placed in the game of chess. During its turn, it may move vertically or horizontally. So our task is to find all possible moves for a rook on an empty chessboard. So how we are going to do this? Firstly, we will get an input of test cases, number of test cases t, and the description of the position of the rook. Then we have to output the possible positions. So what logic we are going to use here is, okay, so the chessboard will look like A, B, C, D, E, G, H and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's say I have here D4. Okay, my rook is here at D4. So what will be the possible positions to move for rook? That will be D3, D2, D1 and then D5, D6, D7, D8. Okay, then for horizontally I'll have C4, B4, A4, then E4, F4, G. Okay, so if I observe here in the vertical column, what is common? Here what is common is D, column D is common. And in the horizontal column, what is common? The row 4 is common. Okay, so if I see as, let's say it is confirmed that my first input is a string, okay, and the string will contain two characters only, that is the column and the row. Okay, and column will be from A to H and row will be from 1 to 8. Okay, so but I can say that, let's say for example I take A4. So for A4, what we can do is, I'll keep A constant. Then for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and A. So A4 is this one. So if I keep A constant, I can use this places A1, A2, A3, A5, A6, A7 and A8. Okay, so A1, A1, A2, 3, then A5, A6, A7, A8. So what I basically observe here is, I just kept A4 and I included all the positions in the A row. Okay, and what else I can choose here is this row is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So for A4 I can choose as, first is B4, then C4, D4, E, F, G, H. Okay, and what I basically here observe is 4 is common. So how I am going to code this? So we'll run a loop of 1 to 8 and we'll check if the second element of the string, that is S of 1, is not equal to the J of the loop, then we'll will print this. Other, if it is equal, it won't print. And we will run another loop in which we will see if s of 0, and we'll run a loop from for a to h, that is basically for character from 97 to 104, and we'll see if s of 0 is not equals to j, then we'll print this. And as mentioned in the question, order is not mandatory. So let's take a look at the code. So what I have done here is I have taken the input of test cases t, then this void solve function, string input of string s, then for j is equals to 49 to 56. So basically for 1 to 8 I took as character. So what we can do is, if j is not equals to the second element, basically that s of 1, so we'll print this, otherwise this. And yes, it works. Thank you.